Now, let me quickly show you how you can export your notes or save your notes from a Mac as PDF. So what you have to do is to open up the Notes app as usual and find any note where you have some content in here or whatever it might be. I have just some random examples. But once you have the note open, what you have to do is to go to the top left corner of your entire Mac screen. Like in here, I have the Apple logo and the Notes app that's open and so on. And right there, you're going to click on the file icon right here, which is going to expand these options. And as long as you have the note properly selected, you can go to File and click on Export As and choose PDF. There's also the Markdown file format, but you can click on a PDF like this. Then you just pick the location where you want to save it. So let's say I save it to the desktop, and now I'm going to give it a name. So let me just name it PDF note like this. And once I hit a save, it is going to appear right here on my desktop, so I can always access it. And as you can see, it is actually the PDF file called PDF Note containing everything that is in there. So it works as PDF, so you can highlight the text, and of course, all of the other things apply to it as well, just like a regular PDF file. So that's how you can export it. That's how you can save your notes as PDFs on your Mac. I hope that I can help you out with it. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.